Good morning, Ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the first year's English medium. We are dealing with the chapter that is the partnership form. So, this is the sixth session of our topic, partnership form. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about the rights of the partners and the duties of the partners. Let us see whatever the rights the partners have and what are the duties that the partners should have to do. Okay. Duties means what they have to do. Rights means they can utilize it. Okay, how they can utilize it for their personal purpose, for their development purpose as they're continuing in the partnership. Let us see. Right to participate in the conduct and management. Every partner, okay, every partner has a right. Okay, every partner has a right to participate. Okay, right to participate in conduct and management. Okay, in the conduct and management. Conduct means what? In the while bringing of the capital at the time, whatever the contribution of the capital, whatever the contribution of the capital each and every partner will bring, that is the right of the partner to bring certain amount of capital into the business, and at the same time they have to involve in the management affairs. They have to involve in the management related affairs. Means what, madam? Management means managing, controlling the business form. Okay, giving suggestions. Okay, that all come under the management. Right to express personal opinion on firm matters related with the partnership form. If there is any problem related with the partnership, so at that time every partner has a right to express a personal opinion on that issue. So in their point of view, what it is, in your point of view, what it is. So when all opinions are considered, after that the best opinion will be implemented as a decision. So every partner has a right to express their opinion. Right to inspect and copy any books of accounts and records. So every partner has a right to inspect, copy any books of accounts and records, because they want to know what is going on in their business. Yes, they want to know what is going on in their firm, because they all are partners. They all have contributed certain capital to the business, right? So they have the right to see what the accounts are going on. If they want, they can take one copy also. Copy means same. What's the account is there, regarding that they will take one Xerox copy of that. Okay, so these they can maintain. Yes. And also they can have, after seeing these all things, accounts and records, they will get some type of trust on the partners. Every partner can trust each other. Without seeing that, no partner can trust anyone. So it is a right to see, inspect. Inspect means check. Right to have equal share in the profit and loss. If there is a profit, they have to share equally. If there is a loss, they have to share equally according to the agreement. Whatever the agreement is written at the time of entry of the partner, based on that agreement, every partner should have to share the profit and loss according to their agreement. Next, right to receive interest on loans and advances. So they have the right to receive the interest on loans and advances. If any partner given loan to the partnership firm, oka partnership atanunna business run avvadaniki loan gaani emana amount advance lo iste, he has the right to receive the interest on it. Okay, he has the right to receive interest on it, and also to receive the principal amount of loan and also the principal amount of the advance along with the interest. Next, right to compensate. Compensate means if any loss is happened unfortunately due to negligence or with intention or without intention, whatever it may be, if any the mistake is happened and it bring losses to the partnership form, okay, to the partners it will bringing losses, or the certain partner has done number of expenses, unnecessary expenses, and or he incurred some type of losses to the firm with intention or without intentionally, or anyway negligence, or anyway if he done anything loss to the business firm, partnership firm, then they have to compensate for that expenses what they have incurred and the losses what they have made due to their negligence or with their intention to do like that. Okay, so they have the right to compensate also. Right to use personal property of the partner. So when there is a emergency, when the debt is more, okay, when the debt is more comparing to the capital contributed by the partners, in order to cover the business debt at that time, the personal property of the partner is also be taken into consideration. It is based on the agreement, ma. Okay, it is based on the agreement. In case of minor, there is no such type of taking of personal property of the minor, as we have discussed in the previous sessions, right? So every partner has a power. Every partner has a power to take necessary steps during the emergency to protect the firm. If there is an emergency and the firm is going to bear big loss, the firm is going to face the big loss at that time, every partner has a right to take the necessary step during that emergency time and to protect the firm. They have to protect the firm also. That's the right they have. So every partner has this right. Okay, when there is emergency, the situation is going out of their control, at the time they has a right to take the appropriate correct step for the development of the firm. Right to prevent the entry of new partner. New partner can't be enter into partnership firm without the consult of other partners. Without consulting other partners, the new partner can't be admitted. Right to act as an agent of the partnership firm in the ordinary course of business. In the normal situations, the partner, every partner will act as an agent of the partnership. Okay, agent of the partnership firm in the ordinary course of action or in ordinary course of business. Every partner will act as an agent of that partnership firm. Okay, so these are the rights of the partners. Okay, these are the rights of the partners. So what are these? See, participate in the conduct and management, express their opinion, check the books of accounts and records, share in the profit and loss, receive interest if provided any loans and advances, expenses, losses, they have to give compensation, personal property is taken if necessary or if there in the agreement, partner has a power, emergency to protect the firm, he has that power, prevent the entry of new partner without consulting the other partners. In the normal course of business, the partner will be act as an agent of partnership. Let us see the duties of the partnership. He should do hard work and honest towards the firm. First thing is the duty that he should do work hard and honest to the firm. Honest means nijaitiga. Honest, he should be honest towards the firm. He should not cheat the firm. He should not do any kind of fraud, manipulations. Okay. Next, he should act in just and faithful towards the partner. He should act just and faith means he should be faithful, nijaitiga. Okay, faithful towards other partners. He should not manipulate. Okay, he should not do any kind of fraud with the other partners. He should be honest with the other partners. He should bound to share losses of the firm equally. He have to share the losses. If there is a loss, then they have to share the loss equally according to their agreement or according to the situation. He should give compensation to his negligence. Yes, here only we have discussed that. where here if he do any kind of mistake at that time, whatever the loss occurred due to the firm, for that he have to pay the compensation, because that is his own mistake, right? Certain mistakes are done with intention, certain mistakes are done without intention. Without intention means negligence. With intention means with intention means what? We have done it with our own interest. We want to do like that, only we are doing like that. Yes, that is the thing. He must maintain true and correct accounts. Yes, he has to maintain. The partners should have to maintain. Who is maintaining the accounts? That partner should have to maintain true and correct accounts. No partner should make secret profit by way of commission. So no partner should have to gain any kind of income in the way of commission or from the firm business. Means for example 10,000 profit వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, దాంట్లో నుంచి 9,000 వచ్చిందని మిగతా పార్ట్నర్స్కి చూపించేసి 1,000 జేబులో వేసుకోవడం అలాంటివి చేయొద్దు, రైట్? True and correct account shown to co-partners. Co-partners means the remaining partners. Okay, co-partners means remaining partners. If 10 partners are there, among that one partner, for example 10 partners are there, I am that one partner. First partner is I am. So the remaining partners for me, those are co-partners. Okay, I am the partner, you are my co-partners. If you and me, we both are doing business, then I am partner means you will be the co-partner. If you is a partner, then for you I am is co-partner. Okay, ఒకవేళ నేను పార్ట్నర్ అయితే మీరు నాకు co-partners అవుతారు అందరూ. ఒకవేళ మీరు పార్ట్నర్ అయితే నేను ఇంకా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మిగిలిపోయిన వాళ్ళందరూ ఏమవుతాం, మీకు కోపార్ట్నర్స్ అవుతాం. ఓకే, కోపార్ట్నర్స్ మనకు ఇన్ ద జాయింట్ హిందూ ఫ్యామిలీ వీ హ్యావ్ కోపార్ట్నర్స్ కాదు ఇక్కడ, కోపార్ట్నర్స్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావద్దు. కోపార్ట్నర్స్కి no transfer of share or interest or right to outsider without the consult of the partners. So you can't transfer anything without consulting the other partners. Co-partners means other partners simply. No partner is given any remuneration. Profit only they have to share. Remuneration, okay, any additional income is not given to any partner except this is given to working partner, because he will participate in day-to-day activities, he do very work hard. So sometimes according to the agreement, according to the mutual understanding of partners, sometimes the remuneration is given to this working partner. Working partner is also known as active partner. A partner must not carry on any business which is similar to or likely to compete with the business of his current partnership firm. What it means if you are doing the business of cloths, ఒక పార్ట్నర్స్ అందరు కలిసి ఒక 5 మ్యాక్సిమం 10 కదా, సో 9 మెంబర్స్ కలిసి ఒక బిజినెస్ చేస్తున్నారు. వాట్ బిజినెస్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్? దే డూయింగ్ ద బిజినెస్ ఆఫ్ సెల్లింగ్ క్లాత్స్. వన్ పార్ట్నర్ కేమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ and personally he kept another business, and in that he again selling the cloths. So the type of business they should not have to do similar or likely type of business which become a competition for the current partnership form. These all are the duties of the partners, these all are the rights of the partners. So in the next session we are going to discuss about the differences between the sole proprietor, joint Hindu family, cooperative society and partnership form. 4 topics we are going to cover in the next session. Okay ma, right.